Feel the rhythm pulse inside, a gentle signal asking care. When energy begins to slow, I turn inward and repair. What was blocked begins to move when I listen and allow a steady current returns again. I feel balance starting now. I restore the flow within, calm and steady, strong and clear. When my energy realigns, vital strength is always near. From this place of inner ease, my direction feels alive. Every challenge points me back to the source I hold inside. When I clear the inner stream, harmony is amplified as the current moves with grace. Begins to rise. What once felt heavy starts to lift, and strength returns to life. I restore the flow within, calm and steady, strong and clear. When my energy realigns, vital strength is always near. From this place of inner ease, my direction feels alive. Forms when flow returns. Mind and body move as one. From this steady inner source, renewal has begun. I restore the flow within, present, grounded, and aware. From this balanced inner place, my goals unfold with care.